We gotta hurry up and get started, but our little picnic area is so cute, isn't it? This was Allie, she found it. Let's get started. We gotta set our picnic up.
Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just
Guys, isn't this so cute? We setting it up. She eating a little thing. I think that's cute. Cheese danishes, strawberries, you know, grapes. Got some drinks. Yeah, I think the setup part looked better. Anyway, I'll see this. Yes, we ain't got no plates though. We got pizza with no plate.
Well,
We just got.
it'll be alright.
That's so cute. You gonna put my? I got those. I wanted those so
She
bad.
wanted these olives. They might be good, honestly.
They probably is good.
Yeah.
I like the different flavors
I'm gonna
of
try them.
things.
Yeah. I got a honeycomb instead of honey.
I'm excited. This is gonna be so fun. We got some freaking what's that?
Mozzarella.
Balls.
You want
She got this blueberry
goat cheese?
goat cheese.
I want to try it.
This girl nasty.
Girl, it's gonna be good. Watch.
My girl got some damn blueberry cheese.
Goat cheese.
Did that stink? Want to taste a piece? Half it.
stink.
Half it.
You try it. I don't want to it. I want to try it with the mozzarella. Here.
Good to me.
Good. Try it.
It's alright. It's not like real salami. Y'all, look at our picnic.
Something is this.
What's that? The honeycomb? You should put that on the side with the things.
On the side with the what?
With the Okay, I should be setting up the what you call it. Y'all see it? Picnic bitches. Let me stop cussing. Aw, that baby's cute.
I'm sorry.
You guys, look at our picnic. These freaking fly things want to keep coming around. Oh, see, the wind is blowing it. Stupid flies. We got our canvases, and then we got like our pizza and our drinks and our charcuterie board. Oh, it's gonna be lit. I'm like, crack open the wine now. I'm about to blow some bubbles on you.
Oh, fuck. Was that wagon in the background?
You guys want me to blow some bubbles in y'all's picture? That'd be cute. Oh, let me see if I can do it closer. Yay! Bubbles! Trying to get it. Oh, there they go. Bubble, 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 pop.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Did you get it, any?
Yeah, I got some.
That's cool. Bye-bye!
Thank you.
So, y'all, we should have came out here at like 3 o'clock. But it was so hot out here, but the,
That was crazy.
oh! Oh, we gotta show y'all. Oh! Dang dragonfly, he's fine.
This still is.
whatever it is, but it's in there in the nature.
Why the fuck they swirling over us? I'm not kidding. Oh, they eat the bugs. Oh my god, this is gross.
Thank you for eating the bugs. Did you try it? Not yet. We decided we wanted to come out here and do a damn picnic.
Yeah, picnics are not for me. I don't like the bugs.
They just like us right now. Dragonfly, please.
I don't know nothing about no dragonflies.
They don't do nothing. They don't
Girl.
eat people. The background is so cute though. Look at that. Look at those freaking clouds. Look at a cloud. They look so beautiful.
Why we didn't bring no bug spray?
I don't know. That's what my sister said. She was like, y'all can get about mosquitoes.
Ain't no mosquitoes out here. Freaking dragonfly thing. We're in this west spot. We struggling right now for real.
We really struggling.
I don't think picnics are for me.
I think we just.
This fish is so good.
Maybe we should invite them. Not them, but like. We know they can't.
Why are they hovering over us, bro? And you just enjoying it.
I'm a country girl, you know that. They eating things. Y'all, we can't even do our picnic because these dang on dragonflies. And these, oh, please don't hurt us.
They don't. No, they're not. Do they bite?
No, they don't.
I don't think they bite.
What are you gonna draw? The pizza's great. We tried this pizza from what's it called? Copanese, and it is Bada Boom Bada Bang pizza. The Bada Bing. It looks like it got pepperonis, a little bit of jalapeno, buffalo sauce, and I don't know if that's onions or Parmesan cheese or something. Onions, Parmesan cheese, I think. What do we have? Boom box.
Oh yeah.
A music box. Music thing.
Oh gosh. This is pissing me off.
You probably should put that on this side. There ain't no bugs on this side.
Fuck it.
It's so spicy.
It's good.
That's true. That's true.
I know.
We're gonna fall. What is that? Sausage? That's pepperoni. That must be like a sausage pepperoni or something. It's a different color.
I'm good.
You never read the menu? I love the express. It be the cuts.
I did, but it went over my head.
I really still like the margarita. I ain't gonna lie. It's too much flavor for me. I think we just hungry.
Nah, this shit good.
It's good. I just like the margarita, but if it had like a little, damn.
Oh my god. Do you want some pizza? Damn.
You just grabbing on and going, grabbing.
Look like they ate them all. No, they did not. Why are they next to us? Are those gnats? I'm confused.
I don't know what they are. You know what I honestly feel like? I feel like we should have had an objective of what we was gonna draw. Okay, I want to eat a Danish because they over here trying to get us. Which one do you want?
I don't know.
You guys, look at the little Danish. Yeah. This gives me like, my mom makes the bodies from Arby's. But it was like the turnovers.
I know what you're talking about. You know what? I'm gonna let y'all have that strawberry.
Yeah, that's probably what we had to do. Put a thing of some food over there where they can get it.
So they can have their own.
Yeah. Look at us. Look at us figuring it out. Baby, it's the everything for me. For me. Oh, for me. We really just out here eating.
That's what you are.
We can't even pay.
I know they want to come to our picnic.
I know they want to come to my picnic. I know it look good. That mozzarella is disgusting. It don't got no salt in it. Dang! It's just falling apart everywhere.
Girl, you think
I know, but still. We got it from Sprouts. Who would have thought?
ugh. Crumbs. All I just did is complain. I'm sorry, I'm not like this.
You.
girl.
Oh.
I'm not right.
Will you take a bougie girl on a picnic? She wanted to get this dang honeycomb.
Let's try it.
So,
This thing is not good. I'm so disappointed. Only thing that has not disappointed me is the grapes and the pizza. That's it.
you didn't like this?
No.
What up?
It don't have no flavor.
It's salty.
I'm trying it alone.
I like it by itself. This didn't have no flavor. Not at all.
You picked that one too.
That's why I said, do you want to get the marinated ones?
It don't have no flavor. Ugh.
I'm boosting it.
That do not taste good. That
It's
do
good.
not taste good. Maybe because I just ate the Danish before.
Maybe so. She want to get, I can't get all of the stuff. And then my titties just look like they just.
I'll taste better. But I don't taste Danish no more.
Yeah, the grapes is good though.
The grapes is
The
wrong.
wine don't even got no flavor.
Because the water, the ice melted it down. Everything flavorless. For real. It really don't. Watered down wine. I ain't tipsy.
Tispic. Where'd you get that?
The alley berry dish.
What about these?
Added to the other words.
I love that. I want it so bad. I tried them already.
They're good.
They're alright. They're good. They're alright.
It's just Sprouts. Yeah. Whole Foods just win when it comes to food. I stick beside it. I need a brand deal to be an ambassador. Whole Foods.
Oh, now the little sunset want to come out.
Please. Oops. Don't do that.
So should we try to draw something like the same thing?
I want to draw a flower.
What kind of flower?
Lotus flowers.
I
That's
want to
like
draw
two colors.
a Japanese cherry tree. That was in my head the whole time.
That'd be cute, but
Japanese
very
tree.
detailed. The whole tree. You gotta make each flower stand out.
I don't know. But I'm about to draw it.
Yeah, I want to draw a lotus flower on it.
But I'm probably going to just draw with different colors. Oh, this is